Gorgeous juice in 5 minutes. Let's make some detox juice for the week. Instead of using this machine, it actually makes nut milk too, but there's a juice feature and it works really well. I love this because the cleanup is super easy. Honestly, just have to do a super rough chop. Doing about 4 carrots. Putting the ginger straight in, 2 knobs. I'm just gonna take the skin off our citrus here. 1 lemon, super roughly chopped. Shot. I'm just gonna add some cold water, pop the lid on, and it's so easy. Hit the juice setting, it's 3 minutes and it'll be ready. Boom. I'm just gonna strain it. I'm gonna use this bag it comes with. You guys, this juice looks so good. Oh my gosh, try not to make a mess. If anyone has any ideas on what I can do with the leftover pulp, that would be great. How beautiful. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt for electrolytes. This is so good. Wow. And there's literally nothing to clean up. I'll link it below.